Final.
1-2. Team C,
Final.
3-0. Team D, 2-1. Total of 3 games apiece. This last game is for 4 games ng finals. Thank you. Pero posted na yung natin, night papawis, ang ating MVP ay si Mr. Chuck Lee. Sa 8 papawis, ang MVP natin ay si Isaac Pinga. Sa 10, sino kaya ang aakyat sa ladder? Pero ang leading scorer pa rin natin, Christian P pa rin, isang laro lang, 55 points. Nung first game niya, 55 points. Inig. Leading scorer pa rin. Noel, wala. Rebound by Justin. Justin, take it free. Wala. Rebound by Dens. Oh! Rebound by Dens Angeles. Mama move. 2-0. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Ruel. To Rain. Rebound by Matt. The muscle man. Rebound to Dens. To kapatid. To Luis. Wala. Rebound by Isaac. 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Bola na. Team C pa rin. Ang gandang laban. Lahat ng laban maganda. Mga kaibigan. 2-0. In favor of Team C. 8 minutes and 47. Ruel. Binabantayan ni Justin. Ruel. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul by Dens Angeles.
Ay, wait lang. Gusto ko lang ang 10. 10. Thank you kay Mac. Nice game, Mac. Picture ka muna kay Mac sa ano. Okay na?
Thank you, Mac. Boss, picture mo nga ito, boss, mag-exit. Ano, picture mo nga sa net bago mag-exit. Okay na? Thank you, boss Mac. 4-0. Take it 3, Ruel. Wala. Rebound by. Bola na, Team B. 4-0. 7 minutes and 48 seconds. 4-0.
Oh, finals!
Sino yung last na miss ko dito? Kala Dens?
Si ano?
Si Matt o si Dens?
Yun yung ano na yun? Ito.
Si Justin. 2 points by Justin. Ito, wala. Rebound by Isaac. Lumipad si Isaac. 2 points by Isaac. 4-2. To Luis. Pumangga si Dens, lumipad. Block by Isaac. To Isaac, wait lang daw. 7 minutes. Exactly. 7 minutes ni Chuck Lee. Pero ni Chuck Lee yan, hindi makakauwi yan. Required pa picture na ni Chuck Lee. 6 minutes and 50. 10 seconds to shoot. 9. Lumipad. Block. Oh, Raymart. Hindi daw pwede yan, bata. Sabi ni Idol Raymart, papawis lang, natabilok mo. Sabi niya kanina. Take it 3. Ruel Bora. Change favor. 5-4. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Luis. Making his move. Step back 3. Wala. Rebound by Isaac. 6 minutes and 17. Isaac. 20 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 13 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds for 3. Wala. Rebound by Dens. 6 minutes exactly. 5-4 in favor of Team C. Dens, kumalabaw na sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Isaac. Grabe si Isaac, nakakadami na. Sa kanya lang ata lahat yan. Isaac, 17 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and 44. 13 seconds to shoot. Long 3. Wala. Rebound kay Raymart. Mark, binaba na. Raymart at tulit.
Raymart! 2 points by Raymart! Nalubat! 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 Change paper, 6-5. Tatak. Justin! Wow! Wow! Justin Reyes, 8-5. Lamang na ng tatlo. Team D.
Bluetooth mode.
Change na, pag na-shoot ha, change. Pag na-shoot, pag foul, change pa rin. Pag na-shoot, change na. Change.
Ito na, change. 8-7. In favor pa rin ng Team D. 8-7. 4 minutes and 46. Justin. Basket by Ruben Borja. Justin. 16 seconds to shoot. To Luis. Take it free, Luis. Luis Abeles. Ewan ko kung si Kibulo yan. Nilagay niya dyan. Is autobot. Ewan ko Aidens. Autobot. Rebound by Matt. To Raymart. Raymart, lumipad si Raymart! Huli!
Pero na rebound ni Luis. 3. Ba kaya? Wala. Lobat. 11-7.
Good.
Good. Comeback to ah. Ala, tumirpress. 11-7, apat, 3 minutes and 48 na yan. 16 seconds to shoot. Gago, tangin ng box 1.
Bluetooth mode.
Bola na, Team D. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 11-7. Tingnan natin, makakambak wing yan ng Team D nila. Densky Buloy. Densky Buloy daw eh. 3 and 18. Nakuha pa rin. 16 seconds to shoot. Still by Ruel. Ruel. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Well, binabantayan ni Matt. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound Nino. Bola na ang nagawang gandang screen ni Luis.
Bola ng Team D. 2 minutes 50.
Anong oras na lang?
2 minutes.
Smile naman
2 minutes.
dyan.
Isa pa lang ang nagbabayad, di ba? Si Matt.
3. Rebound by Matt. Grabe, muscle man. 2 points. 13-7.
Bluetooth mode.
Gumana. 13-7. In favor of Team D. 13-7. Wow! Napakaganda laban. Makakambak win kaya ng Team D para sa mga other team na natalo ng Team C. Tignan natin. 2 minutes and 20. 17 seconds to shoot. Isaac. Isaac. Foul. Foul by Raymart. Number SK.
First personal foul. Go. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. 4. Rebound by Batera. 1 minute and 58. Patay. 2 points by Manzano. 13-9. Hindi, lamang children's. 40 seconds to shoot. Libre. 2 points. 2 points by Raymart. 59. Low. 15-9. Ganda, libre. 2 points. 15-11. 1 minute and 27.
Bluetooth mode.
1 minute and 18 seconds. 15-11. 2 points by Justin Reyes. 17-11. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Lumipad. 2 points by Isaac Pinga. 17-13. Last 1 minute. 1 minute, 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Anong tawag? Anong tawag? Traveling violation. Traveling by Dance Angeles. Traveling. Anong oras na? Serbio, wait lang ha, Serbio. Seconds na lang, seconds. Thank you very much. Napakabogi mo talaga. Masiyap na mga girls. Pabukas na lang.
Good. 37 seconds. 15 to shoot. Wala. 29 seconds to shoot. 95. 23 seconds.
Ay, nalitan sa mata.
20 seconds. 17. May shot clock pa 17 seconds. 13. 13 din. 13 to 10 seconds. 10 shot clock. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Panalo, Tindi, champion pa. Tindi nun. Sino best friend natin, boss?
Si Dens. Ay, di pwede rin si Destino. Pero kung sa
Harap dito MVP oh. Dens, harap MVP dito oh.